everyone, let's get cooking. And we are going to cook pearl, onions, chicken, broccoli, Gisa. And we are going to saute, that's the pearl onion. We're going to saute the garlic, the sweet mini peppers, yellow, orange, and red. And we have cilantro, the red sweet mini peppers there, and cilantro, fresh cilantro, and baby carrots. And then we have the chicken, and then we have the broccoli. As you can see, this is the in the book cover of my beloved mom's cookbook, right here in my beloved mom's cookbook. Among my 22 books, I entitled, yes, 22 books, and Mom and Chef is one of them. That's my beloved mom in the front book cover. Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora, of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores globally, near you, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. And my beloved mom is cookbook. You could find it also in ebook, Kindle, and paperback format. That means you could upload it in your computer quickly. And more in my Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora, Philippines Cuisine cookbook recipes. And that's my beautiful beloved mom in front of our kitchen when we were growing up. And more stories in my 22 books. And because we're going to cook, I'm sure you're very excited and knowing how to cook pearl onion, chicken, broccoli ginisa, and let me stabilize my camera here. And I am just waiting for our pan to heat up, and I am using extra virgin olive oil. And I'm generous with extra virgin olive oil because it is very nutritious. And now I'm going to drop in garlic. And garlic is, thank God for the garlic, it's very tasty and aromatic. And you could see some cilantro cuttings there. And then we are going to stir. And I think I'm going to wrap also the baby carrots because it takes a little bit of time for them to cook. The aroma of the garlic is super delicious. Oh my goodness. I wish you are all here with me so you could smell and taste our pearl onion ginisa. Look at that. Oh my, super yum. Thank God for the garlic. It's very nutritious, very healthy for all of us. And indeed, it's very nutritious, and it has some other benefits as well that you could research. And let me put this aside a little bit. And then we continue to stir. Look at the huge baby carrot, isn't it? Aren't they gorgeous? And the aroma of the garlic is very super flavorful. And we continue to stir. And then I'm going to drop in the chicken. And then we continue to stir as well. Oh my goodness, the aroma of the garlic sauteing is just absolutely terrific, super flavorful. Then I'm gonna add in the cilantro and the sweet mini peppers, and then these are the pearl onions. We're gonna drop that. The pearl onion is, I bought it frozen because most of the time I cry when I cut the onions. The juice of the onions is really very powerful. That's why it makes me cry. And so I always, most of the time, buy ready-made frozen onions. And we have here pearl onions. Aren't they beautiful? Let me show you. That's the one, pearl onions. In the Tagalog language, I wrote a book, Speak Tagalog, and the Philippines is called the Pearl of the Orient Seas. That means Perlas, pearl, of Ismang, and Orient Seas Silangan. Seas is dagat. And then, now I'm going to add in the broccoli. As you can see, it's in the book cover of my mom's cookbook as well. And the aroma of our pearl chicken, pearl onion chicken, broccoli ginisa satay is just super flavorful, super aromatic. Let me add more of the broccoli. This is very healthy for all of us. Thanks be to God for all the blessings. It has so many nutritional benefits. And then let's continue to stir. Oh wow, super delicious, super aromatic. Oh my goodness, this is super flavorful. Pearl onion, chicken, broccoli, ginisa saute. You could just enjoy this by itself, or you could eat this with rice or noodles, however you like it. This is just perfect. And then let's have barbecue Provence seasoning, and also I'm going to get the fish sauce or patis. That's the fish sauce. This is made in the Philippines, and I bought this in Canada product of the Philippines right here. I bought this in Canada. Mom is Canadian and my siblings, and so we, my sister gave this. I'm so excited. My sister gave this to me as a gift. God bless her and all my siblings and their own families. And of course my beloved parents. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of distilled water, a little bit, because the juice from the veggies will also get absorbed, and we continue to stir to mix the fish sauce or patis and all the ingredients. Oh my goodness, this is super yum. And then I'm gonna add in some pepper, a little bit, and I'm adding parsley right here. Oops, just a little bit, but it's so good as well. And for some kicks, I like to add a little bit of pepper. Wow, this is super flavorful, and the aroma is just fantastic, terrific, gourmet. Wow, the aroma is super inviting and flavorful, inviting you to come and cook and eat. Pearl onions, chicken broccoli, Gisa. Ginisa in English means satay. And so that's all there is to it. Easy does it, isn't it? And we are going to wait for the veggies to cook, especially the carrots. And as we are waiting for that, I would like to invite you for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, if you would like to order all-fresh seafoods, steaks, and more at www.allfreshseafood.com, or call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-888-GOT-CRAB. And you could get a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. And that's my book, Hug a Tree, book by Juanita Gutierrez, available worldwide. So enjoy. And oh my goodness, I could smell the aroma of all our ingredients, the garlic, the pearl onions, the carrots. Oh my goodness. Yummy to the tummy. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit. I could use some super sweet tomatoes, but I'm adding in ketchup as well, tomato ketchup, and this has flavors in it already. Oh my goodness, this is super flavorful gourmet. Pearl onions, chicken, carrots, broccoli, gimisa. Yummy as. Come on, I'm inviting you to cook and eat. And as soon as this simmer, our dish, pearl onions, chicken, broccoli, carrots, ginisa, is ready for us to enjoy. Wawi! Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. That means, come on and eat. Napakasarap. That's a Tagalog word that means super delicious. And so, when we eat, we bless our food first. Isn't that important? And so, we are going to bless our food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love. And see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done. Wow, as soon as this is cooked, we are going to enjoy this. My beloved parents used to own a restaurant as well, and a huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony, because Saint Anthony saved them when they were newlyweds. And I wrote the miracles of Ascended Master Anthony in the book I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony. And this is also available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, in all bookstores near you, and in my website, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Oh my, the aroma is already permeating our kitchen. Happy cooking. And first of all, I would like to say Namaste. That's a Sanskrit word that means I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. And I honor as well my beloved, wonderful parents, mom and dad, my siblings and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. I'm only one single in the family. That's why I'm able to write 22 books. And thank you all for your love and support. Blessings. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. More delightful food recipes in my beloved mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora, of Philippines Cuisine cookbook recipes, written by her daughter, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, speaking to you about the video. Happy cooking, enjoying my mom's delightful food recipes. Yummiest. Enjoy. Wow. Pearl onion chicken, broccoli, carrots, ginisa. Super delicious, super flavorful. Happy cooking. Enjoy always. Yum.